Let's talk about how to multiply fractions. To multiply fractions, you just need to multiply across. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 11 is 55. Now we can't simplify 6 over 55. There's no common number between 6 and 55, so that's going to be our answer. For the second example, we could do the same thing. But before we do that, we want to simplify. 9, we can write that as 3 times 3. 6, we can write that as 3 times 2. Can't really do anything with the 7. And the 4, I'm just going to leave it that way. Notice that we could cancel a 3. After canceling, you want to multiply across. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 7 is 21. So the answer for this example is going to be 8 over 21. For the sake of practice, go ahead and try these examples. 5 over 12 times 8 over 15. And this one too. 9 over 16 times 8 over 21. Feel free to try those example problems. So 5 over 12, I'm going to write 12 as 4 times 3. And 8, I'm going to write that as 4 times 2. 15 is 5 times 3. And notice we could cancel a 4. And we can cancel a 5. What we have left over on top is a 2. On the bottom we have 2 3s. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is going to be 2 over 9. For the last example, we could break down 9 into 3 and 3. 16 is 4 times 4. And actually, I'm going to write 16 as 8 times 2. So I won't need to break down the 8. And 21, I'm going to write that as 7 times 3. So we could cancel the 8, and we can cross out a 3. So what we have left over is we have a 3 on top. On the bottom we have 2 times 7, which is 14. And that's going to be our answer, 3 over 14. So that's basically it for this video. That's how you can multiply two fractions together, using cancellation as well. Cancellation, as you can see, it makes the problem so much more easier, and it prevents you from dealing with large numbers. So I definitely recommend using the cancellation method when multiplying two fractions. So by the way, for those of you who want more math videos, feel free to check out my website, video-tutor.net. Thanks for watching.